Hi, I'm James Rumpel from Nureva, and I'm happy to announce the launch of our new HDL200 audio conferencing system. The HDL200 is designed for smaller meeting rooms up to about 5.5 meters major dimension, and it joins our HDL300 and dual HDL300 products. So now we have a product family that can cover almost any meeting room size. We more than just adapting the audio system to cover smaller rooms, we made some other important changes in the design for the HDL200 that specifically reflects the needs of small meeting rooms. One of the biggest things we see is that in small meeting rooms, the products typically get installed all in one wall next to the display. So the HDL200 has forward-facing microphones, which means that you can mount it directly above or directly below a display. It's also physically smaller than the HDL300, so you can mount it on top of a display and it won't overhang the edges. Come visit us at the Nureva booth at ISE, and you can visit us on our website at www.nureva.com.